YouTube? It's your boy, the official Go Getter. I'm back with another video, man. Today we are coming at you guys with another video about. This is like episode maybe 4 about getting funded this 50,000 for a funded account, right? So we're back with the stocks, man. Again, we're back with the trading again, man. So today I'm gonna just hop into the recap. Right, last time I talked to you guys, it was Tuesday, and Tuesday we had a trade, and we made a cool little, what was that, like let me get that out of here. Tuesday is when we made, I believe it was January 30th, Tuesday, but 240, right? So the only day we traded this week was um Tuesday, Friday. It was only 2 days, right? Because earnings, Wednesday or Monday was earnings. Tuesday was no, Wednesday, Jerome Powell, he was speaking, right, about the Fed rates again. And then we have Thursday. That was the day after Jerome Powell, so I didn't see any good clean setups that day, and I wasn't gonna force anything. So I waited till Friday when I seen a good setup and I seen things going the way I wanted it to go. And on Friday we hit a good play for $470 just off one, right? It says we took 2 total trades, but the first one was just like a little, like, few dollars, like $15 type trade. Just getting my feet wet again. Seeing what's going on. And then we hit for 470, 480, right? So this was the play. Let me see. Yeah, so here, I got in here. It was a little consolidation, and when I saw that it was breaking up, I just all the companies were green that day as well. You had Apple in the green, you had Meta in the green, Microsoft in the green, Nvidia in the green. Apple was in the red Friday. I guess they ended in the red. But Amazon, Google, as far as tech, which is what holds the Nasdaq up, those companies were in the green, and that's what made me take that play, man. So that was that for that Friday. And the week was pretty hectic as well, as far as just earnings plays, man. The market was going crazy. We had a whole bunch of data. We had a whole bunch of earnings. And next week is going to be a whole bunch of data and earnings as well. So we got to tread lightly. You know what I mean? We can't just be coming out here forcing things because we want to, right? We got to do this the right way with earnings and all that data, because the market is going to be driven by the data. So it's going to be a little extra volatile. It's going to be a little harder to predict what's going on. So we wait for the days where it's not a lot of data, and we take the best setups only. Even if it's a day where you don't gotta trade, bro, don't even force it, man. Don't trade, man. So we're gonna also get these setups right for MES and Nasdaq tomorrow, man. Let's look at the MES first, man. So they had a good, like, even SPY, S&P 500 had a good run on throughout the week in general, man. You start here, February 1st. It's been shooting up all the way up to it went from, what's that, 875, 4875 to 49.97. S&P 500 is moving. Let's look at that on the day chart. No, it's definitely in an uptrend. Yeah, it's definitely in an uptrend. Like right here, January 24th. But since then, we're only a few days into the new month as well. But it's in an uptrend, right? So that's a good sight. Let's see about let's mark that. Let's mark down them alerts for the high and the low. So the last hour. So on Friday, the low of the last hour was 978.50, I believe. What is that? Around there for sure. Let's see, 49.70. I'm gonna add another alert up here. That's gonna be our support and resistance, man. For tomorrow, that's what we're looking for as far as support and resistance. We'll see what happens. If it breaks out of one of these two, that's where we're going, man. That's where we're going. If it continues down in this downtrend and gives me confirmation, that's where we're going. But right now it's above VWAP. So we'll see. And it's in the uptrend. So that's the MES. Now let's look at the NASDAQ. And I don't see I don't see any patterns either. I was gonna say this could be a descending triangle, but nah, I don't see any patterns. Not yet. Candlestick patterns at least. That's not this last candlestick isn't a yeah. But it's a directional candle. And it's saying it's a bearish reversal. So let's see. Move on to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ also directional bar. We got a 2-2 right here. So let's see if it drops tomorrow or if it continues in the uptrend. You know, we only trading these two, but I tell you guys, keep it simple, man. I'm not looking at any other when it comes to any other indexes. You know, I'm only focusing on these two, right? I'm a master both of them. If there's not, you know, preferably I like to trade SPY, but because it's not as crazy as Nasdaq. You know what I'm saying? Like with Nasdaq, yeah, I made 480, but I could have, you know, I could have lost 600. You know what I mean? Because of how volatile it is, you know. But at the same time, it is a little bit easier to predict which way the Nasdaq is going because when it goes in one direction, it really goes in that direction. Nasdaq will move 200 points in a day, when SPY will move, you know, like 20, 40 in a day, right? Which is still a good amount. You can still hit for a good amount, but Nasdaq, because it's so volatile because the tech is gonna move a lot more, so it's a lot more easier to make money, a little riskier as well, but it works out better for me at least. I like it. So that's the 4 hour right here. That's what we're gonna see if there's any patterns right here on the 15 minute. Yeah, I don't see any patterns either. Really, like this could be it's not maybe a hammer, but it would be a variation. It's not a clean hammer. Let's look because we got the candle chart pattern reference. If you guys want the candle chart pattern reference, let me know and I'll put it in the link in the bio or I'll put it in the comments. But you guys gotta let me know if you guys are feeling this content. I got you. But so the hanging man is a bearish pattern, and right now this would be, we could say, see it. It's a okay. It could be a dragonfly doji, similar to a dragonfly doji right here. Okay. Dragonfly doji right there. So we might say that it might be in this uptrend. It might go bullish because Dragonfly Doji is a bullish chart pattern. But let me know if you guys want this pattern. I got you guys. I got you guys for sure. But that's what we're looking at for this week. You know, we're gonna see, and that's only if it gives us the right setups. We're not gonna force anything, guys. You know, um, On Friday, we made 470. You guys remember when we lost that 600 at the beginning? We placed one. Since that 600, we placed one, two, three, four, five, six trades since then, and we won all six. So 7 trades total, and we're 6 for 1. Right. I also was reading the book today. Let me grab the book, Trading in the Zone. Right here. Ah, let me take the this is the thumbnail. But nah, this book will definitely upgrade your trading. This will definitely make you a better trader. With me being 6-1 and me, coming back and redeeming myself, I don't want to jinx myself. I don't want to get too carried away. I don't want to let my emotions in a good way take me out of the game, right? I know I may take losses, but I don't want them to make me discouraged as well. So with that being said, man, this book talks about the fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and mental analysis, right? So it'll teach you about the three analysis, and it goes deep on them. I haven't finished it, but I'm a few pages in, and it's a good book so far. So read that book. Uh, but yeah, man, this is gonna be a short, simple video, just getting you guys caught up. Next week we're gonna see what's up for real. Earnings. I don't know what companies have earnings next week. We'll probably figure that out real quick. Mm. Yahoo might have something for us. Come on, Yahoo. Come on, Yahoo. Okay. February 5th, 305, 306 earnings. What are the big companies, man? Let's see if we can find any big companies up in here. Well, they ain't gonna separate it for us for the big cap companies. So I'm not even gonna bother looking through all that for real. But earnings is next week. This coming up weekend. We're gonna move and tread lightly, man. Tread lightly, man. You know what I'm saying? If you're trading during earnings, man, tread lightly, man. Only take the right setups, man. Um, Stick to your plan. Just be disciplined in your mind. Don't let your emotions take you over, man. And we stick to that blueprint. We're gonna make some money, man. We're gonna make some money, man. So I'm excited for next week, man. I'm excited because I'm at 50,742 total. That's one more play that'll put me at 1,000, and 500 more dollars off the after 1,000 will put me at 1,500, and that's halfway to the profit target of 53,000, and then boom, we pass, right? So I appreciate Take Profit. I appreciate you guys as an audience, and I appreciate I appreciate Take Profit and you guys are the audience, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in, man. Um, Not much else I want to get into really, besides how Friday went. I didn't trade too much Thursday, so there's not too much to talk about. YouTube, my bad about that, man. My phone was saying it ran out of storage, man. If anybody can help me figure out how to clear iPhone storage on my phone so I can keep uploading content and keep uploading the most efficient content that I can, right? Help me out, please, man. But with that being said, man, I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. I'm gonna tap in with you guys after the first trade on maybe like Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Wednesday is when I'm gonna tap in with you guys, man. So I'm gonna see you guys Wednesday. I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on official go getter underscore on TikTok, Instagram, right? Subscribe on official go getter here on YouTube, man, and keep tuning in. I appreciate you guys, right? Hit the click the link in my bio for my free certified good course. Go get a course so you guys can get your mind right, get your physical right, your physique right, and then get that blueprint to get your finances right, right, and then also get my free certified go getter planner so you can plan that routine, build that plan to get you where you want to be, to get you to that dream that you want to get to, right? Because it takes strategic steps and strategically plan it out, structure yourself. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm out.